Yeah, just hold my beer. Halloween is around the corner. And the other week, 3 nefarious 6th graders were lurking around, trying to cause some havoc. So we have to get this installed. The ocular demonic surveillance. Also, the wife this issue is going to put all the Halloween decorations back in the garage, and that, my friends, cannot happen. First, we got to cut this plastic. But wait, there's another box. And it's moving. Told you. Halloween edition. Come on, Tom Cruise. Help me out here. Damn pretty. I'm watching you. It looks like that one thing, that one movie. What is the name of that movie? The one with the robot? Hey Siri, what's the name of that movie with a robot?
Hope these are the butter flavoring to your popcorn.
Oh, WALL-E. Oh, that's what it was. WALL-E. WALL-E! Back to seriousness. Okay. We will continue. Ain't you pretty? Ain't you pretty? Ooh, cardboard. USB plug. USB cable with magnetic connection. Holy cardboard. I can't touch this on Halloween. That's just nasty. Mount. Another mount. Battery. Guess what? Another battery. Cardboard. We used to send you a CD type case, but now we don't because everything is digital and online. a base station, smaller than I thought. Another piece of holy cardboard. Charger. A screw and some other paraphernalia. 3 screws and some more paraphernalia. An Ethernet cable. And talk about Arlo giving people the finger. And that is it, my friends.